going to be a short assembly because we've got something important to talk about. So I'm going to hand over to Mr. Miles, who's going to talk to you about some very important people in the school.
Alright, before I do that, I've got some certificates to give out for our Manga High Maths Challenge that we did a few weeks ago. Alright, secondary, you've already done yours, but I'm going to take the chance to give out our primary certificates, mainly because secondary you were pretty rubbish compared to our primary students. Alright, so primary, well done. I think you collected at least 3/4 of the points for the school. So primary, you've done a fantastic job overall. Alright, so I've got 3 people here who managed to get over 150 points. Okay, and the winner, they came in with a maximum of 386 points. So that goes to Mr. Sprite. Second place goes to Mr. Pooh. Our third place in our school goes to Namor. So I'm going to spend a couple of minutes talking about something that is going to affect all of the students here. Okay, who knows what a prefect is? Who can tell me what a prefect is? Okay, I like that answer. Okay, a prefect is someone who is responsible for other students in the school. Okay, and that is part of what a prefect is going to be doing. Okay, we've selected as part of the teaching staff a team of teachers, a team of students who are going to be our prefects. Okay, our prefects are going to be there to help you as students, and it's going to be there to help us as teachers. Okay, they know who they are already, and I'm going to embarrass them again today by getting them to come up and introduce themselves. Okay, you don't have to say anything. Okay, you're just going to, so you can see who our prefects are, and these are people that, especially you younger students in primary, I would like you to use them as people that you can talk to if you've got problems in the playground or problems around school. Okay, so can I have our team of prefects? Can you come up here, please? So here are our team of prefects. Okay, there's 6 of them. Okay, we have 4 prefects and a head boy and a head girl. Michael is our head boy and Denise is our head girl. Okay, you'll be able to recognize them because we've given them a flashy badge to type in. Okay, so you'll know they'll be wearing this. Alright, very, very difficult to get hold of, pure gold, okay, worth about £1 million each. Okay, the school really splashed out on these. Alright, so what I'd like you to do is give a big round of applause to our prefects.
Okay, so just a reminder then, our prefects are there to help you. If you have a question or a problem, as well as being able to search out a teacher, you can also come to the prefects. They will also be your voice to the teaching staff and the management of school. So if you have a suggestion, you can go to them, share that suggestion, and they will be able to tell us what the students are thinking. It's another important reason why we have prefects. Okay. Is everyone looking forward to today? Yeah. Right, the younger kids are. Excellent. Well, because they're so excited, let's have the youngest students lead us out.